New Kids Gummy Vitamins formula contains 13 essential nutrients, including vitamin C for immune support, vitamin D3 for bone and teeth health, and vitamin B12, Cyanocobalamin, for energy production. We have added to this new formula iodine, which plays a major role in your child's metabolism and development. Folate has folic acid to help convert food into energy, and vitamin E, an antioxidant for the maintenance of good health. Benefits: bone and teeth health, metabolism support, immune support, energy production, non-GMO, gluten-free, free of allergens, no synthetic colors, artificial flavors, or artificial sweeteners.